So children, our now next topic is centrosome. Let me clear it. Centrosome or centriole. So now this centrosome is an organelle which is usually containing two cylindrical structure called centriole. Let me draw it roughly. Look at here. Suppose these are two central structures which are called as centriole, and they are covered by amorphous liquid or fluid, and this is not bounded by any membrane, and it is called as centriole. Now these centriole are having a cartwheel like structure. That cartwheel like structure I am going to explain you. So first of all, come to here. They are surrounded by two cylindrical structure which are perpendicular to each other, and they are surrounded by a amorphous pericentral material, and both these centriole, actually this combined structure is centrosome, but those two central structure are centriole. Okay, they are perpendicular to each other, and they are having this cartwheel like structure. Now actually this cartwheel like structure is not drawn in your book, but I have drawn it here roughly. First I will show you here and then in the other book. So here actually what happens, that there is no central, this is exoneme only, but in the central there is a proteinaceous hub is present. Okay, centriole is also a proteinaceous and called as hub, and that is the central part of the centriole. So this is a proteinaceous hub. It is attached with these three, these microtubules are there in triplets. Okay, and these microtubules are attached with this proteinaceous central hub by these radial spoke. है तो ये वैसा ही स्ट्रक्चर जैसे सीलिया फ्लैजिला का था, लेकिन वहाँ पेरिफेरल डबलेट्स थे, यहाँ ट्रिपलेट्स हैं. वहाँ सेंटर में दो कोर्स माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल थे, बट हियर देयर इज नो माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल देयर प्रेजेंट इन दी सेंटर और इन द कोर. It is a proteinaceous hub only. Okay, but radial spokes are same. Now I am showing you the diagram in the other book. So this arrangement is called as what? 9 plus 0 arrangement. 9 are there in periphery in triplet form, but in the center nothing is there. Now come to this diagram. ये जो तीन triplets हैं, these are the microtubules only. Okay, this is central hub and these are radial spokes. How are they attached? जैसे हम इन microtubules को suppose I am labeling A, B, C, तो the A microtubule of one of the triplet will get attached with this connective to the C microtubule of the other triplet. So this is C and this is what? A. So A and C connecting link is there, and these are three sub microtubules as they have shown it here also. Okay, so this arrangement of centriole is called as what? The 9 plus 2 arrangement. Okay, it forms the centriole. It forms the spindle fibers. Spindle fibers actually you will not understand it much here. You will understand when we will discuss the next chapter, cell division. Actually in the animal cell the centriole is present, but in plant cell centriole is not there. So from the centriole get divides at the time of cell division, and from which the spindle fibers are formed. तो ये spindle fibers का आ गया, centriole के साथ में इन spindle fibers attached होंगे. Actually the cilia and flagella also arise from centriole, but in that case it is called as what? Basal granule or basal body. So this is all about the centriole also. Tomorrow we will discuss about the nucleus. I am sending this diagram for you people also. Thank you.